from DoneRight Management. We're at the downtown lakefront retreat. We're going to do a quick video tutorial on the television in the living room. And it's fairly straightforward. We have the Samsung Smart TV. We have a DVD player, Panasonic, and then the Cable One. And as you turn on the television, basically just go through. You've got the green light on the Cable One TV, and you change the channels. Pretty straightforward. So no easy peasies. Now as far as actually changing, HDMI 1, transition. So hitting the source button, AV, screen mirroring. So if you have a telephone or telephone that you can actually enable, and you can go ahead and connect. Let's hit the power on the DVD player. And AV is set.